caught without...
Southeastern Logan County until 8:15 p.m. At 7:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm with a history of producing a tornado near Delaware Graph, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Motorhomes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Bell Fountain, West Liberty, North Lewisburg, Delaware Graph, Rush, Pennsylvania, Valley High, Zanesfield, Middlburg, Spring Hills, East Liberty, Pickrelltown, and New Jerusalem.
The National Weather Service
Take cover now.
has issued a tornado warning
basement
for
or
northeastern
Champaign County,
southeastern Logan County until 8:15 p.m. At 7:41 p.m.,
in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from falling debris.
Hazard.
To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
The tornado warning is likely.
Locations impacted include Bell Fountain, West Liberty, Delaware Graph, Rush, Pennsylvania, Valley High, Zanesfield, Middleburg, Spring Hills, East Liberty, Pickrelltown, and New Jerusalem. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.